Hello guys, welcome to Meze Tech Hub. These are Microsoftword series. So today we are going to be learning. Stay attentive as we walk through this tutorial. Welcome to Microsoft Word class. The Microsoft Word program is a word processing program that is used to create professional looking documents such as reports, resumes, letters, memos, essay, and newsletters. So let us get started. You can start the Word 2013 from the Start menu or by double-clicking on an existing Word file. So when you click on the Start menu, you come to All Program. When you click All Program, you can scroll down and look for Word. So now, when you scroll down, you see Word. I'm using the 2016 version. Or you can use the search button here. Just type Word and you will see it. Or you can go to your desktop background and double click on the Word program. And here it opens. Now I want you to know that all the Microsoft Office programs share a common user interface. So you can apply basic techniques that you learn in one program to another. For instance, there are similarities between Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So when you are familiar with Microsoft Word user interface, it helps you to also get familiar to Excel and PowerPoint user interface. Now we'll talk about the overview of the user interface. Microsoft Word program window is easy to navigate and is very simple to use. Now when we open our Microsoft Word, at this point, the left hand side is showing us previous works we have opened or we have worked on, previous documents. So on this side, you see different templates that has been given to you. But we are going to click on the blank document because we want to begin our work on a blank document. So on the user interface, we can see that all this is called what? The Microsoft Word user interface. So now let us explain each part of the Microsoft Word user interface. We have the quick access toolbar, which appears on the left side of the title bar, and it contains frequently used commands that are independent of the tab displayed on the ribbon. For instance, we have the save command, we have the undo and redo command. If you click here, you can also see other commands and you can add more commands if you want. Now we have the title bar. The title bar appears at the top of the program window and displays the name of the document and the program. The button on the right side of the title bar are used to get help, change the display of the ribbon, minimize, restore, maximize, and close the window program. This one is used to minimize, this is used to maximize, and this is used to close the window program. Now we also have the ribbon. The ribbon extends across the top of the program window, directly below the title bar. And it consists of a set of tabs, each of which contains group of related commands. Now we have what is called the document window. It appears below the ribbon and displays the contents of the document. So whatever you are writing on this place, you write it on the document window. We also have the cursor. It is that vertical line that blinks and it is used to indicate where the next text or object will be inserted. So looking at this now, if I type hello, you see that it began from where the cursor was blinking. The same thing with this. So every object or text you want to insert will be inserted right at that point where the cursor is blinking. We also have the scroll bar. You can see the scroll bar. It appears along the right side and also the bottom side of the window and enable you to scroll through the document. If I increase the zoom level of the Word document, you find out that the scroll bar has also come at the bottom. We also have the status bar. It appears at the bottom of the program window and displays information about the document. It displays the number of pages, the number of words, and the tools on the right side of the status bar can be used to display the document in variety of views. For instance, if I click on this one, it says read mode. You see how it has shown us print layout. This is what we are working with, and we also have the web layout, but normally you should keep it on the print layout. Looking out on this side too, we also have the zoom level. So if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you use this button. It's either you click minus here, or you click plus, or you drag this little straight line here, depending on your choice. So let us explain them again. The title bar, it appears at the top of the program window and it displays the name of the document and the program. So whatever you are working on, the name of your work will be here, and then the program. Now let us discuss the ribbon. The ribbon is designed to help you quickly find the command that you need to complete a task. It consists of a set of specific tabs. Now, this is the ribbon, as we have mentioned. You can close the ribbon and you can also bring it out. So you can hide it or bring it out. Here they say collapse the ribbon. So you can collapse the ribbon by clicking this, and you can bring it back by clicking any of this tab. So the ribbon is made up of tabs, groups, and commands. So let us discuss on the ribbon tabs. The file displays the backstage view, which contains commands related to managing and customizing the program. The Home tab contains the most frequently used commands. The Home tab is active by default. The Insert tab, it contains commands that are related to all the items that you can insert into a document. The Layout tab contains commands that are related to changing the layout of a document. The Design tab contains commands that are related to changing the overall appearance of a document. Then we have the References. The References tab contains commands related to referencing information which you can add to a document. We have the Mailing tab, which contains commands that are related to creating mass mailing. We have the Review tab, which contains commands that are related to proofreading a document, adding columns or comments, tracking and resolving document changes, and protecting a document. And finally, we have the View tab, which contains commands that are related to changing the view and other aspects of the display. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you apply what you've learned and also try to share it to others. Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.